Wait. It's not on. Okay. Pick it up. Pick it up and see what happens. It's gonna see.
I don't know what's gonna happen. I haven't seen your latest video, not in use. I have not. So I don't know why you want me to do this.
It's bad.
Help me!
Hey, is this a bubble?
Oh no!
Come on.
I can't!
Thank you. Welcome to the 1-minute version of Not in Use. Yay!